Man, feast your eyes, man. Please do not ask me how much. You got to go on the website. The way my guy did this, found this on the website. That's the 16-piece Snowflake joint. Some call it the Antarctica. Everybody's in my inbox right now for this for Black Friday. I don't know how many of these I'm about to sell, but it's going to be out the roof. I'll tell you that. I will be breaking records this Friday. Hold on, y'all. Let me take off my mouth aligner. Now, there we go. Much better speaking. Okay, so what he did was he went to that website, just had himself a shopping experience. What a lot of my clients do. This is why I say I have the best clients in the world, man. My dude got this. He bought this first. Then maybe a couple of days later, he went on that website and said, "Man, I want to get the chains, the bracelets to go with it." So he got the herringbone, chunky herringbone bracelet, and he got the round omega snake. That thing is a little bit more, you know what I mean? Herringbone's a little bit more tight. These things right here are movable, man. Very, man. You can see how they go with the grill, man. Come on, man. So if you're in a silver, like a lot of my clients, especially in the Muslim religion, or just flat out people who just like silver, you see I take silver to another level, man. The Snowflake joints is icy as a gold grill, man. You're looking at it right there. You got to be kidding me. I get more love for that thing right there that I created, that style, Snowflake. And it's that perfect time, man. This is Christmas season. Get you a Snowflake joint right in the Christmas season. It's so perfect, man. That little joint look like it'll go with a hot cup of cocoa or something. You know what I mean? Come on, man. That thing is icy, bro. Fullbacks. Snappy. Got these things locked in tight all around the country. I'm getting nothing but pictures. Y'all send me them pictures, man. Tyrone Sally, this is my guy. Purchases off the website. When you get these in, bro, you owe me a pic, bro. Straight up. I need that pic. Because I'm doing the page, the client pic, man. I'm about to be adding. I'm trying to add like 10 to 20 pictures a day of all my clients on there, man. Because that's a whole different wave we about to go on. I got a separate page, y'all. From this one, it's called Seattle Go Grills _pics. And I'll be adding all you guys pictures, dope pictures that you guys send me. So Tyrone, when you get this, when this arrives in the mail, my dude, I'm going to need you to get dressed up for your guy. Get with your boys or whatever you got to do. Your girl, I don't know what you're going to do. But you know what I mean? Give me a dope pic, man. Even if it's just of you. HD, outdoors. Make sure it's high quality, though, y'all. Because some of your pics, the best pics will be going up on my website. Y'all heard it here. The best pics. Let me look at that. Silver. Who says silver don't shine, man? Silver is dope, y'all. Especially if you get that nice new silver that I'm rocking, that anti-tarnish stuff that you can keep for a lot longer. And then once it starts tarnishing on you, man, just freaking, man, just come see me, man. Come see me, man. I'll keep your stuff looking fresh like this. Y'all dealing with jewelers now, man. I always tell people, when you're talking jewelry, deal with jewelers, man. Do not deal with these people that think they know what they're talking about. I had somebody come on my inbox literally trying to tell me about my business when I put up the semi-solid versus solid chains. I was explaining to people what it is. He came my inbox, man. It's about something he bought a year ago, 2018. He bought it from somebody in the store. One of the retail salesmen came straight yelling at me in my inbox. 43 grams. I paid yeah, you paid $2,000. It's a semi-solid, bro. The solid grill, solid chain's gonna be like 5,000, bro. You know what I mean? I try to explain that to a real simple. It's not solid. No. So anyway, that's enough of that. But yeah. Anyway, back to it, y'all. Snowflake joint, man. Snowflake joint, man. This is my most popular thing I ever came up with. At first, it was the Antarctica, but since the Snowflake thing hit, man, I got people literally in my inbox right now while I'm on the video. Talking about this one here, the previous video I put out 30 minutes ago, and this one right here. So all the copycatters, y'all, copycat Snowflake. Put that on your website and your Instagram so you can get a little bit of my crowd. You know what I mean? It's enough for everybody. I ain't tripping, y'all. That's positively. The imitators and the people who's trying to be Seattle Go Grills. Man, appreciate y'all, man. Y'all keeping the name spreading. People come to you and come right back to me, man. So much love, y'all. Jewelers since 1976, if y'all don't know. GIA gemologist over here. You guys may have seen my previous video earlier. If you didn't, go check it out. The gemstone, secret gemstone grill I just put up in there. I guarantee that's going to hit a few thousand views because people like seeing that new stuff. And that setting on the parrot, man, I'm not going to tell you. Setting on the grill is ridiculous. So, yep, shout out to everybody out there that's supporting the movement. Get you one of these. You can get this on the website where he found it. You got to know how to scroll through the website, guys. And I'm actually will be changing up the menu bar pretty soon, so it'll be a little bit more simpler for you guys. I'm trying to make it much more easier shopping experience for y'all because I'm getting way too many visitors a month. But y'all see why the Snowflake grill is so popular? I'm going to do a whole long video on this joint. I'm not just going to just run through this one because y'all love this. Love. I don't say like, love the Snowflakes. Why do I know? Because of the reactions, how many people orders, man, dude, I'm getting so many orders of these things. Why y'all keep seeing them? This one and the princess cut one. People love that princess cut one too, y'all. So, man, I really, once again, really appreciate you guys. I got some of the best, not some of, the best crowd in the world. Like I said, we only have 300-something thousand on our network, Seattle Go Grill's own single network. But it's 300-something thousand of the best people, 300-something thousand of the best people on the planet that really rock with us. You got some haters. Everybody's going to have haters. Michael Jordan had haters. But you know what I mean? LeBron James, Kevin Durant, everybody got haters, man. But, yeah, buddy, this is him. This is the way to do it. Snowflake, the way the light travels across that thing is unreal. Almost doesn't even look real, y'all. But yes, that is a real grill. No diamonds. Snowflake style. This is a special cut that we came up with. Signature. I can't give you the Colonel's recipe. You know what I mean? KFC. I can't give you the Colonel's recipe. But we does this, y'all. And everybody that's been pairing the jewelry and the chains and rocking with us and getting everything from us. Earrings. I really appreciate y'all, guys. Them people's like, man, Fred is my guy. That's my jeweler. I got people around the world saying this, man, and it's a blessing. I'm trying to stay humble and lower my head, lower my mentality, man. Stay humble, because that's the best way to go. Shout out to all y'all, man. Hope y'all having a great week, man. This one right here, like I said, the herringbone, silver herringbone. I think you paid $200 and something for both of these. 260. I can't remember exactly. I'd have to look on the website. You can find these on the website, though. Go to jewelry. Oh, another thing, y'all, menu bar at the top. Menu bar. Top, you see the little 3 dots? Click that. It opens up the menu bar. You'll see Grillz, jewelry. Jewelry, go to men's, bracelets, silver. You could pick it up from the categories. Men's, then go to gold, then blah, 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 blah. These are the silver joints, man. Herringbone chain. There's also a search bar at the top of the website, guys, where you can just click a search bar. Click Snowflake, type Snowflake in there if you're looking for the Snowflake grill. This will pop up. I have the keywords on the website all locked in. So you can go, if you can't find your way around, or you want to find a quick way to look at what you're looking for. You're looking for a 2-piece, put 2-piece in the search bar. 4-piece, put 4-piece. 20-piece, do that type of stuff. It'll help you out. It'll just pull up a whole list of 4 pieces, a whole list of 2 pieces, that type of stuff. Guiding y'all around to the website a little bit, y'all, because I got the best clients once again, and I'm trying to look out for y'all. And at the same time, save as much time as I can, because most of the questions, this is from experience, 90% of them are time-wasting type of questions every day. I get people asking me just all type of questions, and I can immediately see from the first keywords whether it's a serious client, a sale, or just somebody asking me question after question after question. Sometimes people are pretty slick, though. They'll be like, I can get this for 400, and I'll be like, yep, da-da-da-da, question after this, da-da-da, question after that, and then after that, they'll be like, okay, I'll be ready in 2 months. Like, I got one more question. I'll be like, man, bro. Oh, man, the first question was a waste of my time, bro. So, yeah. Yep. That's how it is. That's how humans is. And I watch the repetitiveness and the patterns of things, how things are patterned. People do the same stuff, same exact questions every day. So shout out to all y'all with the questions, man. Questions, people. Knowing y'all ain't purchasing. Shout out to y'all. I'm a customer. No, you're an inquirer, y'all. An inquirer, a customer's person that's purchases from you or has purchased. If you're just a person that's never bought anything and just asking questions, you're not a customer, y'all. So, but I will answer as many questions as we can, but I can tell after about 1 or 2 whether you're serious, and I'm going to send you to the frequently asked questions on the website. Seattle, Washington. Somebody's on the website from Seattle, Washington right now, live chatting, looking for a price on 16 pieces. So I'm talking about they're on the website, y'all. Live chat. As soon as they see that you got a question, they start with the how much, because they see that live chat thing pop up. Man, shoot, how much? You know what I mean? Get it working. How much? I'm not even going to answer that. I'm going to let that person sit on that website and look at that live chat and find their way around, man. Come on. So, yep. I think it's been a great week, you guys. And the weather is insane. It's kind of chilly, but it's so beautiful outside. And this snowflake is just perfectly fitting for the time of the year. Merry Christmas, y'all, from Fred the Jeweler, Seattle Grillz to y'all, man. Have a great week.